hey, let me show you a sound test of the JBL Go 4, and by the way, I'm using the equalizer set for the JBL signature mode. So I didn't even change here anything, as everything is as default. And let's play, for example, this one, of course on the possible highest quality. So let's go here, let's start from the beginning. Okay, so that's how the speaker sound. In my opinion, it sounds really deep. There's some bass in here. There's no any strange hissing sound or something like this on this volume level. So I can highly recommend you this speaker. It sounds really good. For this price, for this size, I really like it. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.